Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. We said this breakthrough would happen 2 days ago, and here it is, a few days ahead of schedule, but history is being made. The production trajectory of XRP today made a significant statement. Everyone is wondering, why are we doing this, and how far are we going, in the end? The purpose of this video is to attempt to address both of those questions, thus, please subscribe and like the video before we begin. So committed. At the end of the video, I'll return to the chart for a more in-depth analysis, but for now, know that we've been watching this downward trend line for the past several weeks, and that this large spike has broken above it. So, I was hoping for something similar leading up to the October 7th SEC and XRP appeal finalization, but today it really took off, with talks of partnerships with India, ARL, USD, and a plethora of other countries. We'll do our best to explain everything in this video, which we hope you're all very enthusiastic about. What exactly is happening here? The fact that the expectation of a SEC appeal has been steadily rising over the past several days is fascinating. Okay, so I really stated in my video yesterday that I don't think it's true. In line with that, I believe you have all the RL, USD, and XRP news, and the charts clearly show it. What has the most recent development on this appeal, then? Judge Torres's judgment was grounded in extremely particular facts, according to experts and legal critics. In the end, it is unlikely that an appeal court will find that Judge Torres erred in applying the third sectarian judge. Expert testimony from XRP holders was not considered by the SEC, however, the judge did consider it. What this means is that the judge considered the specific details that the SEC had presented, and on multiple occasions, the judge ruled in favor of XRP. Therefore, I just don't see it anywhere. The sole option for the judge, the sole option for the SEC, to succeed. If the SEC chooses 3 judges that are friendly to the SEC, an unusual but conceivable scenario, it could prevail. This is coming from a legal professional, and they're basically implying that they need to influence the outcome in some way. Thus, this is one opinion that is plainly optimistic on XRP. The impending launch of Ripple stablecoin is confirmed by the fact that 99% of Ripple USD has been minted. In fact, the digital payment network Ripple has minted over 800,000 Ripple RSV tokens on the XRP Ledger platform, and 99% of Ripple USD has been minted in the last 24 hours on Ethereum. Insist that its proposed stablecoin project might begin at the crack of dawn, which is something to keep in mind. Thus, typically, that is where you'd find it on the Ethereum network. As I mentioned before, it is also available on XRPL. Also, what does everyone think about the charts? By the week's end, though, a lot of people will be positive on $2.30. We should expect a rather huge couple of days with ETF blows, as some people are already predicting. The Asian markets are expected to open very soon by the time you guys watch this video. Additionally, I anticipate that they will make a purchase. I fully anticipate their return with a vengeance, attempting to outdo the US ETFs. AMB Crypto, however, has examined XRP on-chain debt and found that, according to prior research, the chances of it reaching $2.30 in the next days are extremely likely, both in terms of the rise in trading volume and the price. This 7-year downtrend has finally broken, and now, according to the experts, there will be a huge move based on it, possibly a 300% move that takes us to about $1.74. Obviously, this won't happen overnight, but the reality is that it's absolutely on track, and it has broken what many people expected Ripple and XRP to do. The proof, as the saying goes, is in the pudding. The oil business is reportedly using XRP, which is another story. From today, I feel the need to finally express it now. As of this writing, we have not issued any formal comment. While we were briefly discussing the BRICS movement, it came to light that Dubai and India were beginning to form partnerships to buy oil using XRP. A formal announcement has yet to be made by either the XRP or Ripple headquarters, or even by that Brad Garlinghouse. So, I'd like to keep things reasonable here, but we do anticipate Ripple to enter many more practical use cases, particularly with those two updates entering the XRPL. We expect our USD stablecoin to lend credence to this storyline, too, since it is major news. Alright, let's have a short glance at the chart and see where we end up. Look who we have here. As previously mentioned, this downward channel provides us with significant positive strength, and this breakout here is no exception. Currently, we have retreated little, down around 4%, however, I do not consider this to be cause for alarm. Maintaining a position above this line is critical. I believe we're a tad ahead of schedule with this move compared to what I anticipated, but we'll take it anyhow. Some of the moving averages are beginning to rise, and the RSI divergence is showing extremely encouraging signs. So, what comes next? We retested 1.0 and broke above 786. The next level, 1618, at 75 cents, is likely to be the crucial mark, according to the top-to-bottom FIB retracement. Assuming that XRP's price action is in line with that of the market as a whole, I expect it to rise with other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. However, XRP has been in a pleasant upward trend for almost 2 weeks now. With all this good news and anticipation, it seems that Ripple and XRP are behaving just as predicted on the channel. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.